How to use auto dubbing on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search youtube.studio.com. Here you'll find this kind of screen. Log into your YouTube account. After you're logged into your YouTube account, click on Settings at the bottom left. Now in Settings, click on Upload Defaults. After you've clicked on Upload Defaults, click on Advanced Settings. After you click on Advanced Settings, scroll down and you'll find Automatic Dubbing. Here, make sure there's tick mark and Allow Automatic Dubbing. Manually review dubbing before publishing and save it. After you've saved it, you will find auto dubbing on all your videos. And this is how to use auto dubbing on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.